So we are studying classification of living organism, and we are studying 5 kingdom system classification. So in 5 kingdom system classification there are 5 kingdoms: Monera, Protista, Fungi, Plantae, Animalia. 3 kingdom we study in class 9. In class 9 you have studied about Monera, Protista and Fungi. 9 class में पढ़े हो. In class 10 you will study 2 kingdom, that is Plantae and Animalia. Alright. Now today we are going to study Plantae, kingdom Plantae. So kingdom Plantae, it include all the plants. Alright, all the plants which can do photosynthesis. So main characteristic of kingdom Plantae is they are autotrophic, they can do photosynthesis. Now let's see the characteristic of kingdom Plantae. So they are unicellular or multicellular, chlorophyll containing plant. So they are generally they are unicellular as well as multicellular. Some plants are unicellular also. Most of them are multicellular, and they have chlorophyll. So they are green in color and they can do photosynthesis. Their cell contains cell wall, which is made up of cellulose. Cellulose is one type of chemical, right? So one type of carbohydrate. Cellulose is a carbohydrate, a very complex carbohydrate. From that carbohydrate, the cell wall of this plant is made. Next, they prepare their own food by the means of photosynthesis. So they are called autotrophic. Autotrophic means they can prepare their own food by the process called photosynthesis. They are vascular plant as they have a vascular tissue. Vascular tissue means in class 9 you have studied about xylem and phloem, complex permanent tissues, right? And this complex permanent tissue, xylem and phloem, are called vascular tissue, right? Because they help in transportation. They transport water and nutrient from different part of the plant. So their plants are generally vascular tissue, xylem and phloem, for conducting the different material throughout the body. They store food in the form of starch. So starch is one type of carbohydrate. Right? So they store food in the form of starch. They are either non-flowering or flowering plants. So some are flowering, some are non-flowering. In 2 kingdom system classification, plants are divided into 2 categories according to flowering or non-flowering. Flowering are called phanerogames and non-flowering are called cryptogames. Alright, plant kingdom में 2 kingdom system classification में plant is divided into cryptogames and phanerogames. So this classification is according to whether the plant is flowering or non-flowering. You know, say 2 kingdom or 5 kingdom में ये फरक है. In 2 kingdom system, the plant kingdom is divided into 2 divisions. They are cryptogames and phanerogames. Cryptogames are non-flowering and phanerogames are flowering. Cryptogames is again divided into 3 divisions. What are they? Thallophyta, Bryophyta, Pteridophyta. These are the non-flowering plants. And phanerogames is divided into gymnosperm and angiosperm. Gymnosperm and angiosperm are flowering bio. And then Thallophyta, Bryophyta and Pteridophyta are non-flowering. So non-flowering jati like cryptogames vandiyo in 2 kingdom system classification. And in flowering plant jati like vandiyo phanerogames. Whether the plant has flower or not, that is not the basis for classification in 5 kingdom system classification. So in plant kingdom, some plants are flowering, some are non-flowering. They reproduce both sexual and asexual method. The sexual and asexual method of reproduction you study in class 8. Class 8 में पढ़ने वाला है budding, fission. Have you studied or not? Budding, fission पढ़े class 8 में हो तो no asexual reproduction. That is asexual reproduction. Sexual reproduction means male and female gamete flower में हुन्छ नि androecium and gynoecium, and it produces the seed. So if the reproduction takes place from seed, flower बन्छ, flower बाट seed, seed बाट नयाँ plant आउँछ भने sexual reproduction. So in a plant both sexual and asexual reproduction is possible. Alright. So the common example of kingdom Plantae are Spirogyra, liverwort, fern, okay, conifers like pinus, flowering plant like mustard, rose, maize, etc. Alright.